everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever I may be in the world. This is my friend and this is my YouTube channel from Ghana. Yeah, we are on again with a new video. To all my subscribers, I want to say God bless you all. And if you are new on my channel, I want to say you are welcome also. So first of all, as our sketch is done already, we just want to lock it so that we can get free movement over our sketch. Alright, so select our line tool and we just bring in the line. It's done. You just want to copy it to the next line, onto the next line, and onto the next line till we get to the last line. Okay, so we are on the third line here, the fourth line, the fifth line. Alright, this is why is this not selecting? Alright. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, we have it on the line. We have it. Don't do that. Okay, we also have it here. Okay, so we want to go to the vertical aspect. Okay, as we did for the horizontal, we do same for the vertical. We are done. Select the pick tool, just copy and paste. You just want to follow the keys that I'm using. It is appearing on your right. Just follow it. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. We copy and paste. Yeah, we are done. We want to go to the diagonal lines. Now we are starting from the left to the right. The first one is done. We want to copy it and bring it to the second line, and we copy same and we bring it to the third line. Please don't forget to subscribe to support your man. Alright, thank you. What we are left here is the circles in there. Just bring in our ellipse tool to draw out our circle. That's done. We want to position it on it very well. Okay, I said earlier on my video that if you are doing something like this, you just have to zoom in. Sometimes I prefer doing it this way, and afterwards then I will zoom in to see if there is any touches that I have to do, then I do it. That's why I have no zooming. The second circle is also done. So we just want to copy the two circles that we have done earlier on. I think the spaces, the interval between them is the same, so we just want to copy them and just bring them to the two circles in the middle. Alright, we have that. Okay, that's done. We want to position it on it very well. Okay, that's done. Alright, as you know already, we just have to go in, select all, and we want to go in and enable the fill tool. I want to take a color that can be visible. Right, we disable the stroke. No, we need to disable the stroke. What am I doing? Okay, disable the stroke, then select the fill. Let me go with the black. So carefully we want to just click and drag and go over the areas that we want to fill. So this is the area that I want it to be filled. I do that and I go to the second portion and I do that. don't worry, you can just come back and redo it again. If you cover a portion that you don't want, you can just follow the keys as the Control Z and come back and cover the portion that you want to cover. Right. So this portion, I want to clear this portion, but it is taking a different form. Don't worry, I'm not zooming in. Alright, it's still taking a different form. That's not what I want. I want this portion to be out. Let's focus on getting the next portion done. Okay, we drag over it, we drag over it, we drag over it. Go to the next portion. Yeah, we're done. This portion, okay, we are done. So as you all know, this is Manfred. I'm from West Africa, Ghana. This is my YouTube channel. I do graphic design related videos, and I'm looking forward to add other videos which will be related probably to graphic design, but it's not yet in. I'm still working on things. So if you like my videos, please don't hesitate to click on the like button. I can see people are watching the videos but they are not subscribing. But all the same, all things being equal, to all my subscribers, God bless you. I always say God bless you because Charlie, when I was starting this, I didn't know that I'll even get here. So if I'm here, I just want to give thanks to you. Small, we will get there. We will get the plaque some. Okay. So as you can see, as I said earlier on, there are some portion which was not covered. Right. So I just want to make sure that those portion is covered so that I can get the real shape that I want. Right. So right now we are just doing adjustment in here. We zoom in, as I said, to do the corrections that we need to do. Right. So this area is still not covered. Okay, just want to select all. This thing is still not done. Then okay, we are done. Okay, this portion tool needs to come. We click and drag. Everything is done now. Okay, we are almost coming to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you are new on the channel, thank you all. To my subscribers also, thank you all. So as you know already, we just want to place it on a color so that it can look nice. If you have any color of your choice, you can also do same. So this is what we have done so far. Fast forward. So we are done with the video. Okay, thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye.